Supervisor Marketing at Vedavak Systems Limited Company at Hyderabad. We are actually into IT solutions, but we are pursuing the opportunities in other sectors as well. In that context, I had the opportunity of visiting Himtex here at Hyderabad. It's a wonderful exhibition being actually positioned here at Hyderabad with various number of stalls for all varieties of machining operations. For Machine Tool Expo, it's a fantastic Machine Tool Expo. Today being the last day, I have a limited opportunity of visiting some of the stalls. But the quantum of effort taken by the manufacturing companies from different parts of India, especially from Gujarat and from Chennai and from other parts of our country, from Bangalore, they kept a wonderful machining machines they brought all the way from that place to here, and it's a great opportunity for all the manufacturing companies across the sectors to have a look at machines physically and the line of operations for their basic needs and different actually machining operations for the organizations. We have to grow from manufacturing point of view, for which these quantum of exhibitions are very, very useful for our country, and we have to see that these actually procurement can take place by way of actually good presentations, good informations, which is being actually shared by them at each and every stall. And we have to grow industrially well. As we see a rapid pace with regard to renewable energy systems are concerned, almost we are touching 50% of its capacity for all actually needs of actually renewable energy as well. Variety of tools which are required for most of the tools which are required for which these stalls and these machines are essentially required for manufacturing companies to have a view at it. We thank actually Himtex for organizing this event, for having actually got so many number of manufacturing companies to have their presence here in Hyderabad. We wish all the best and have good business exchanges. That's how we should grow indigenously in India, and also we should be a great exporter as well as for all the frontline countries, and we should be winning good volume of business. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity for Globe 9. Thanks a lot. So nice of you. Murli here once again. Bye-bye.